Afternoon, all the Toastmasters. Today I will show you how to log in to your Toastmaster International account and how to select a pathway. Once you select login, put your email ID, password, hit login. Once you log in, you can see your name, welcome. If you click here, it will give all your information here. You can add your picture, you can update everything. Then you have to go to pathways. Click pathway, choose a path. Once you click this choose pathway, it will give you take assessment and choose your path. There is option you can take assessment. Okay, so this is saying Basecamp $20 recommended. So it is not necessary to go through this. You can skip and directly you can select a pathway, but it is better to go through this. There are 10 pathways in English and 8 other languages. So you can I will click take your assessment. It will ask for a language to select. I will select English. You can select any language if you want. See here, skip assessment. You can skip this assessment directly and you can select any of your interested pathways. But I want to show you how to select through the assessment. So if you click select and select 3 topics you are interested in learning about from the list below. I will select public speaking, coaching and leadership. Then click next. Which of the following topics is most related to the personal and professional goals that brought to you to Toastmasters? So I will select public speaking. It will keep on asking you questions. Now I will select randomly any of the answers, but when you go through your system you just read all the instructions carefully, then select, because based on these answers it will give you 3 options, 3 pathways to select one of them. So I will just click next. I'm just randomly selecting the answers. Okay, once you complete this 100%, it will give you an option to select the pathways. Unsure, agree, strongly agree. You can select anything based on your questions. Next, 92% complete. It's getting stuck. Okay, now it's completed 100%. Wait for a while. Okay, now once you complete recommended paths, it will give you 3 options, 1, 2, 3. Innovative planning, as I have already selected this one and I'm working on this, so it is not giving this option because I already choose this. So you can select any one of them. Once you choose a path, it will add in your education transcript. So how to go to education transcript? Go to pathways, select go to Basecamp. Then here it will give you your profile again. See, Basecamp profile, feedback, transcript, e-profile. Select transcript, then it will show your selected pathway here. I have selected innovative planning. Open curriculum. Click on open curriculum. Then you can see here, this is level 1. See, I have completed already level 1, icebreaker, evaluation and feedback, researching and presenting. Level 1 completion. I have completed all of them. You can see the status. Once you complete, it will show your status here. You click on launch. See, icebreaker, first your first project will be Icebreaker. Click on launch. Okay, it's saying congratulations because I have already completed, but still I can go back and I can show you how to do this. Okay, Icebreaker level 1 project. Click begin, then go to next. Read all the instructions carefully. See, it will give you option to print out your project checklist. If you click here, it will come up in PDF file which you can download and print it out. So you have to answer all these questions. It's not showing option because I have completed already. I will move on quickly. There are some short videos which you can listen and understand how to give an icebreaker speech. Here the view icebreaker speech outline worksheet. Download icebreaker speech outline worksheet. You can download and print it out. Go to next. You can check all these, go through all the instructions, read them carefully. Then once you complete your project, then it will show congratulations, you have completed this project. Then it will show here as a completed, like this. Okay, I have completed all these three. See, you can check mark, you can see the check mark here. Once you complete all the three, complete this one also, then ask your VP Education to approve. Now I'm just waiting for his approval. Okay, so this is the way how you will go check, how you will select a pathway and how you will complete your projects. So it will be again level 2, level 3, level 5. So that's it for the day, and thank you very much. All the best for all of you guys out there. Bye bye.